Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we tell how to fix laptop lagging after we unplug the charger Windows 11. So let's start. So first let's go to our bar search and just looking for control panel and just click here, and then let's go to energy options. Just click here. Then just select the high performance in this option. In my case this is in Spanish, but in your case if this is in English, just click on high performance. Okay, that is the first option to log in. So the second option to do it is go again to the search bar and then just looking for device or device manager. So just click here and then appears this option. Let's go to firmware. Just click there and then let's go to firmware system firmware. Okay, just click here and then just click on upload device. You have to click here on search and update for this firmware. Just click here and then this will be updating in your computer and you can fix the firmware. That is the second way to do it. Just have to update it. And well guys, I hope some of these options helps you. If you need more help, please write on the comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.